The plan was to construct 3 duplexes, 6 individual units. A competition process was initially undertaken. Bids were solicited from various companies. AYO Smart Home Limited submitted a bid which actually at first blush seemed to be extremely attractive. They submitted a proposal in which they said they would construct 3 energy efficient, mold resistant duplexes with very modern energy systems that would actually allow the housing units to provide electricity back to the energy grid, making money for RRDC. They said they would construct the units using a very modern system, employing structural insulated panels, and that construction would be extremely quick. And they said they could do it for the $1.6 million that was available. Based on this submission, RRDC entered into a contract with AYO, and initially under that contract, construction was to be completed by March 15, 2017. The first indication of a problem was when construction wasn't actually begun by March 15, 2017. An extension was requested to November 6, 2017. The next serious indication of a problem was when, during the summer of 2017, AYO indicated that they would not be able to complete construction unless a further $700,000 were provided above and beyond the agreed amount. At this point in time, RRDC was looking a little more closely at it. They knew that the original plans for construction had been, well, there had been departures from those initial plans in several respects. RRDC, working with INAC and with Yukon Housing, providing technical assistance, basically they told, they put a stop on the payment under the contract, and a third-party engineering firm was engaged to go up and examine the buildings, the work that had been done. AYO was told that this was going to happen. The engineers were scheduled to actually go to Ross River in September, and the day that the engineers arrived, actually the day before the engineers arrived, AYO abandoned the project and stopped construction and left Ross River completely. On October 5th, 2017, RRDC received the report of the engineers from the examination of those buildings. The report indicated that there were severe structural problems with the construction that had already been complete. So on October 6, 2017, following the terms of the contract, RRDC terminated the contract with AYO. Now, RRDC intends to complete the duplex project. INAC and Yukon Housing Corporation continue to assist, and RRDC is working with TSL Contractors Ltd. To tear down the unsafe portions of the duplexes. TSL Contractors will then complete the duplex project so that the completed duplexes will provide safe and comfortable housing for RRDC's citizens. This is being done on a very aggressive schedule so that construction will be complete as soon as possible.